Yeah, YouTube, what up? This is GSN Cards coming back at you once again. We're on to box number 1 of the 4-box football mix break. We're starting off with 2008 Leaf certified materials. Looking for some nice hits. Baseball finished off ridiculous with that Derek Jeter on-card autograph out of 09 Ultimate, which was numbered out of 22. 19 out of 22. So, here we go, pack number 1. Love this Leaf certified stuff. And first hit right off the bat, it will be numbered out of 99 for the Rams of Donnie Avery. Donnie Avery for the Rams. So, triple jersey. Jersey. And the rest base. Put that over there. What up, Trevor? Next pack. Here we go. Little decoy in here. Nothing big. I remember the 09 stuff. We pulled that dual logo shield. 1 of 1 of Javon Ringer, which was insane. Don Connor, rookie for the Panthers. That one's out of 1,500. AKA, why do you number them if they're that high? I don't know. Don't number them if they're going above 1,000, in my opinion. This is Leaf Certified Materials 2008. And I see a Vikings logo. It is a hit. It is Vikings. Immortals numbered out of 100 of Chuck Foreman. Chuck Foreman numbered out of 100 for the Vikings. What up, Dave? No AP, but Chuck Foreman Immortals game jersey. And here's a decoy. For the Giants, an insert of Brandon Jacobs out of 500. Nice looking. I like the design of these cards a lot. Brandon Jacobs out of 500. Insert for the Giants. All base. So how many packs? 1, 2, 3, 4 packs remaining. 4 packs left. No auto yet. And this will be another hit for the Vikings. I wish it was the other Viking player. Another Vikings hit, though. Jersey football autograph, numbered out of 250. It's a rookie auto of John David Booty. So 2 Vikings hits in this Leaf certified box. So there you go, Dave. 3 packs remaining. Antoine Cason at a 50 for the Chargers. They just asked, is that a game-used ball by John David Booty? And this one is out of 100. USC Trojans. Terrell Thomas, game-worn jersey. Out of 100. So Giants, they're saying. You can't even. It won't even like pick it up on blog, the jersey, just because it's white on white. So final pack. Move the camera up a little bit. Final pack. And here we go. An insert. Another, same one, I believe. Certified skills of Brandon Jacobs out of 100 for the Giants. So, okay box, I guess. Nothing too big. Terrell Thomas, game jersey. John David Booty, jersey football auto. A Chuck Foreman, game jersey. And a Donnie Avery triple jersey. So that's it for box number 1. Stay tuned for box number 2 of 4. And GSN Cards is out.